I tried Stablecode 3B and compared it with Github Copilot. Stablecode 3B is Stability AI's new code LLM, their first AI release of this year. Stablecode 3B is what they call an AI for the edge, which is an AI that can be run even in smaller machines. Essentially, this could be run with around 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is already small compared to the RAM requirements of a lot of these other bigger LLMs. As with most AIs that I try, I used Ollama for this, so I don't have to set up anything. I just have to download the model using Ollama pull. And the first thing that I realized compared to the different code LLMs that I've tried is that this is mostly for code completions, meaning it generates code based on the code you've already written. It's not really good at generating code if you just talk to it. It assumes that the chat that you've sent to it is actually the code that you want to be completed, which is not exactly what I wanted. Compare this to Github Copilot, which has two modes, one which is code completion and the other being code chat, wherein you can just chat with the LLM with Github Copilot that will generate code, or you can ask it general questions about code and it will answer if it's about code. Now, how does Stablecode 3B compare with Github Copilot? Now, in the first place, Stability AI says that Stablecode 3B outperforms the relatively small but still bigger Llama 7B models. But how does it stack up against Github Copilot? Unfortunately, it's not that good compared to Github Copilot. For my testing, it can only generate like simple functions, and sometimes for a little bit more complex functions like mathematical functions, it sometimes screws it up, for lack of a better term. This compared with Github Copilot's GPT-4 engine, there's no comparison at all. Github Copilot can generate way better code, and if you want to create complex, effective, and efficient functions, sometimes it doesn't generate it immediately, but you can use chat to keep iterating on it to make it better and better. I'll link the article that I wrote wherein I added some examples of some situations where I tried Stablecode 3B versus Github Copilot. Nonetheless, even if Stablecode 3B does not stack up against GitHub Copilot, I am hopeful for the future of these smaller edge AI models. I'm personally excited about the progress in the realm of small code LLMs, and that is why